Quick update on Fort. So Fort ended up holding the support areas here that we have, the 236 and the 786 at pretty much 12 pennies. We're down 15% on the week. And what we can expect from here, if it falls any lower than 12 pennies, as we can see here, if it comes back down about 10%, you want to hold. And any lower, then it's going to come back to the low here and drop about 37%. But I don't think that's going to happen. Things have broken down. Things have come down to that last area, which is the 786 here. And it's time to move up, in my opinion. It doesn't have to, but the way the chart looks here and everything we're seeing, I think we're about to get a nice little recovery on a lot of things. So you can look for Fort here to probably come up here to the almost 16-cent range and move up about 23%. And then the big price, in my opinion, to watch would be the 0.5 here. That is a 52% move up to 19.5 here. We want to see the price of Fort come up here, but then we want to have some follow through over that 0.5, hold that as support, establish that, and get back over that trend line here. And then we can finally start moving up to some higher price targets on Fort. So right now, as long as you're over 12, look for this thing to move back up to 16. And with all that being said, how high is Fort going to go this cycle? You can see we do have our targets up here. We have the first one at the 16180, 583 million market cap, up to $1.36. And that's where you're going to get, let me see if we're at the right spot. Let me move this up just a hair here off that little bounce we got. You can see that's about a little over a 10x on your investment here, just to make it to that a little over $500 million market cap. I think that's definitely in play this cycle. And then of course we have our bullish target up here at the $1.8 billion market cap, up to the 2272 at about 424, 425. And that's where you're going to get a nice 32 to 33x out of Fort here. So what are your thoughts on Fort? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.